Yeah. Isn't she beautiful? Well done, Mum. You did a cracking job last night. All by yourself. Yep. No help from me at all. Morning world, and welcome to Wednesday 22nd of March and our new edition, new little lady down here. So you already know she was here because you would have seen from yesterday's video she was born last night with no help from me at all, which is the way I like it. Anyway, I'm going to give her some hay because she's just about run out. She's got plenty of water. I came down first thing this morning, filled the bucket up, so she's quite up with that. The other thing I came down looking for this morning was the cleansings, because obviously she's slipped her afterbirth, but I've raked and forked and had that apart in there, nothing. So, unless Mr. Fox went in there last night and picked it up and snuck off of it, which is entirely possible, yeah, I think maybe she had it. Ugh. What's there? Is there rats in there? Is there rats in there? Where's the rats? Where's the rats? Get it. You know you want to. No, not on there. No help at all, that dog, is she? Breakfast. Okay, don't forget, cut the string by the knot on the shore pen. Not for you. Okay. Right, that's you catered for the rest of the morning anyway. You little sweetheart, ain't you? Hey? Hey? Ain't you beautiful baby? Yes, you are. You've done half mowed a lot, didn't you? Hey? Right, so I don't know if this next idea is actually a good one. Hello. Oh. I stuffed a rag in there to try and stop Mr. Robin going in there. Come on, come here. There we go. God, got your mucky feet on my seat again. It's a lovely day out there, but I think it's going to be too wet really to do this, but we'll give it a go. All the wet bits on the farm I've completed, they're already done. So I'm kind of hoping that there's only about 3 acres left of slitting and raking to do, and it is in the drier area, most of it, so I'm kind of hoping I can get it finished, because once I'm done here we can go to the farm and get that done over there too. So we'll just go down there nice and gentle, give the engine a bit of time to warm up. There's no rush. I will have it in four-wheel drive though. There's quite a lot of water on the surface out here. I may have jumped the gun. I may well be coming back up in a minute. That is squelchy. Let's see where this goes. Okay, we're not chewing the ground up much. I think we might just get away with this. Just. We're getting there. So, a couple of patches, a little bit damp, and there are a couple of wheel marks in places, but honestly nothing, not enough to make me want to stop. So we are almost done, and we've pretty much covered all of it. So there's one little spot in the middle there which I'm going to avoid because it is wet and there's just no point. But pretty much, I reckon, 90% of our grass, 95% of our grass is going to be slit and raked and done. Well, 2 more runs, we're finished. I'm not raking and slitting the footpath. Maybe just helps people to see where it is and stay on it. A lot of water running down that stream though. get right up to the edge, shall we? Feeling brave. So the sliotar is not something that turns. It doesn't like you turning, it likes going in straight lines. Little bits are okay, but yeah, avoid it. Avoid it if you can. That's it. One last rip in there and we are done. You've got to let the machine lift up when you've got the nose up in the air a little bit. Because the tractor nose is up, the machine's down. That's it, 10 past 11, coffee time. Comfy. So, no work on the veranda today. Dave's having a day off to recover from quite uncomfortable back pain. But that doesn't mean there's nothing going on. There is something going on. We're having the barn painted. Toad wasn't keen on operating it himself, so Ewan volunteered to get wet. You getting wet? Hey? It's not the easiest, is it? Yeah, I've given myself the exciting job. Well, better to knock it off in here than it is on the road. So, because the next job is over to Tether Farm, which is 8-9 miles, and I'm bound to drop it on the floor, and someone's bound to report me, and then it's not worth the hassle, is it? Better not leave too much tree on the road either, have we? Bit of pigeon nesting material, that is. That's got the worst of it. Yeah, got a bit more effect than that, I'll do. I'm happy to take that on the road now. Anything falls off there now is going to be minuscule. So an update on the mating of these two machines. If you need an update, I'm really pleased. I reckon this is a cracking job. I think Tim's done a fantastic job on the engineering side. It's on there well and truly. And even when I hit things with it, like trailers, it's not moved. So yeah, well pleased with that. It's a good combination. Need some go juice. I took your advice. It was a good idea. Unfortunately, where the tape's been in the tractor, it's been rubbed through on the seat bracket, so I got a bit of wastage, which is a shame, but you know, worse things happen at sea. So this doesn't actually have to be waterproof or anything. It doesn't have to be pretty. I'd rather it was pretty, but for the time being, needs must. This is just going to keep Mr. Robin, or Mr. Wren, or Mr. Pied Wagtail, or Mrs. Pied Wagtail actually, from building a nest in the cab of a tractor. I'll do for this nesting season anyway. Okay.